Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture. Basically this is the first chapter or first assignment of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction you can see this project description. So there is nothing to solve, there is nothing to do in this project description, but please go through this project description, read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. And after reading this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So please go through this project description. So after the project description, we have steps to perform this project, and we have a total of 15 steps or 15 questions to get this assignment done. So I will do each and every single thing in this video. I will make you learn the word. I am not just going to do the question here. I am going to explain each and everything, and I will make you learn the word, and in fact I will make you master of all office tools including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access and Outlook, etc. So I will start from step number 1 and you are simply supposed to follow me. So now let's start with step number 1. So step number 1 of the assignment is saying start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment Agriculture. Reader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. So I have already downloaded that Word document. This is our original Word document that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We are going to apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So as I have already downloaded this one, so now let's move to next step, that is step number 2, because step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading and using of the Word document. Step number 2, display non-printing characters, insert text from carrier dogs in the blank paragraph at the end of the document. So it is saying first we are supposed to display non-printing characters, then we are supposed to insert the text from the carrier dog that we have already downloaded along with the assignment files. So let me go to the original document, then go to the home tab, then in paragraph section you can see the symbol. This is for the hiding and showing of the non-printing characters. So just click on that. Okay, so I have clicked that one. Now we are supposed to insert the text from the carrier dogs at the end of the document. So let me go to end of the document. This is end of the document, a blank paragraph. Now we are supposed to open the carrier dog that we have downloaded along with the assignment file. So I will look for carrier dog. You can look where you have already downloaded this. So I have downloaded this here. So I will simply copy this carrier's text and I will paste it here. So that is all about step number 3, where we were step number 2, sorry, where we were supposed to copy the text and then we were supposed to paste the text here. So I have copied and pasted the text here. So that is all about step number 2. So now let's move to next step, that is step number 3. So scroll to the top of page 1, apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. Apply heading 2 style to the paragraph headings research and careers. Modify the heading 2 style to a font color of black text 1 and a font size of 16. So now we are supposed to scroll to the top of page 1 and we are supposed to apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading about. So we will select this heading about and we are supposed to apply heading 2 style to this one. So for this, just go to the home tab and then just go to the styles and from here select heading 2. So we have applied heading 2 style to the heading about. Now it is saying apply heading 2 style to the paragraph heading research and careers. So we will select research, apply heading 2 style and then also select careers and apply heading 2 styles. Okay, now it is saying modify the heading 2 style to a font color of black text 1 and font size of 16. So for this purpose, go to original document and then go to home tab and in style right click on heading 2 and click modify. So here we are supposed to change the color of heading 2 to black text 1. This is black text 1, so we are supposed to apply the black text 1 font color and also we are supposed to change the font size to 16 points and from here we will select 16 point. So after making these changes, just click OK. So now you can see the heading 2 style has been changed. Okay, and that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So we have solved third step as well. Now we gonna do next step, that is step number 4. And step number 4 of the assignment is saying apply title style to the report heading careers focus and center the heading. Okay, so now go to original document, select the heading career focus. So now we are supposed to apply title style to this heading career focus. So you can see on home tab in styles, you can see title style here, or click this arrow, all heading styles will be shown and just select the title style. So I have applied the title style to the heading career focus. Now we are supposed to make this heading centered. So for this purpose, go to home tab again. In paragraph section you can see different alignment options and we are supposed to select the second option, that is for center. So I have applied title style and then I have centered the heading career focus. Now it is saying insert a hard return after the report heading and type agriculture in your future. So we will click after the career focus heading and for the hard return press enter. So we have inserted a hard return after the heading career focus and now we are supposed to type agriculture in your future. So we will type agriculture in your future. That is the subtitle for this. Okay, so I have typed the subtitle, that is agriculture in your future. So that is all about step number 4. So we are done with step number 4. So now let's do step number 5 because we have solved 4 steps so far. So now let's do step number 5. So step number 5 of the assignment is saying apply book title style to the subheading agriculture in your future. Then change the font size of the subheading to 14. Center the subheading. So now let me go to original document. We will select the subtitle agriculture in your future and we are supposed to change the style for this subtitle. So go to home tab and go to style, click this arrow. So now we will look for book title, this one, because we are supposed to apply book title to this one. Now we are supposed to change the font size for this subtitle to 14 points. Then we are supposed to center this subtitle. So again go to home tab, and in paragraph section you can see the different alignment options. From here we will select the second option, that is for center. So that is all about step number 5, where we are supposed to apply the book title to the subtitle. Then we are supposed to change the font size, and then we are supposed to center this subtitle. Okay, that is all about step number 5. So now let's do step number 6, because we have solved 5 steps for this assignment so far, and now I am going to do step number 6. Step number 6 is saying select all report text from about through the end of document. Do not select the 2 heading lines. Change the number of columns to 2. Ensure that a line displays between the columns. So let me go to original document, then select the text starting from about to the end of the document. So we have selected all the text from the about heading to the end of the document, but make sure we are not supposed to select these 2 heading lines. Then just go to layout tab, then go to columns, click more columns. So we can see the columns option here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This we are supposed to make 2 columns. So select second option, but we will make sure that a vertical line should display between 2 columns. So for this we will check this box, line between, and click OK. So now you can see that we have changed the text into 2 columns, and there is a vertical line between these 2 columns. And that is all about step number 6, where we were supposed to change the layout of the document into 2 columns with a line displays between 2 columns. So that is all about this step. So we have solved this step as well, and now we're gonna solve next step of the assignment, that is step number 7. So step number 7 of the assignment is saying insert a column break before the research heading near the end of left column. So go to original document, this is the research heading, and we are supposed to insert a column break before this heading research. So to do so, click before the research heading, then we will go to layout tab, and in layout tab we can see this break option. Click this arrow. These are different breaks option, but we are supposed to insert a column break here. So we will select this option, column break. So now you can see the all text for the research heading and after this paragraph has been moved to the right column, because we have inserted a column break before this heading. That is all about step number 7. So we have solved 7 steps. Now let's do step number 8. Step number 8 is saying change the document theme to facet. Change the theme color to grayscale. If the theme is not available, use the theme file that is included in the downloaded files for this project. So now we are supposed to change the theme of this Word document to facet. Then we are supposed to change the theme color to grayscale. So for this purpose, we will go to design tab, and here you can see the theme option. Click this arrow and you can see the different themes option here, and we are supposed to apply facet theme, that is the third option. Okay, first row, third column. So apply this one. Now we are supposed to change theme color to grayscale. So click this arrow below the color, and from here select grayscale, that is the fourth option. So we have changed the theme of this Word document to the facet, and the color for the theme is grayscale. Okay, that is all about step number 8. So we are done with 8 steps of this assignment. Now let me do step number 9. And step number 9 is saying an informal document like a flyer often includes a page border for a bit of color and style. Add a shadow page border selecting the first line style single. The color is gray accent 4 and the line weight is 1/2. Apply the page border to the whole document. So now in step number 9 we are supposed to add a page border. So to do so, go to original document and again go to design tab. Here in page background you can see different options. We are supposed to add page border, so I will click on page border. Okay, after clicking on page border we will select the style of the page border, and in instruction it is mentioned that we are supposed to apply a shadow page border. So I will select shadow option, that is the third option. Then the style of the line should be the first style, that is the single line. Okay, this one. Then the color is gray accent 4. Color for the border is gray accent 4, and the line weight of the line is also mentioned. We will select this, that is the 5th option. Okay, so we are applying a shadow border with the style of line single line, first option, with the color gray accent 4 and the width of line or the weight of the line also. Now we will make sure that in apply to this option should be selected whole document. Click OK. So now you can see that we have applied a shadow page border to this Word document, and that is all about this step number 9, where it is saying that apply a shadow page border to this Word document to make it look better. Okay. Now let's do step number 10. Include a custom watermark with the text UAC. The watermark should be horizontal. Now we are supposed to add a custom watermark, and the text for the watermark is mentioned, that is UAC, and it should be horizontal. Okay, so to do so, again go to design tab and in page background options go to watermark, and from here select custom watermark. Now we are supposed to add a custom watermark, so we will select third option, that is text watermark, because we are going to add a text UAC as the watermark. So in text, remove this text and type the text that is mentioned in the instruction, that is UAC. Okay, and it should be horizontal. So layout option is selected diagonal, we will make it horizontal and click apply and click OK, close. So now you can see a custom watermark in this original document, that is UAC, showing in horizontal. Okay, and that is all about step number 10. So in this video I have solved 10 steps for you. That is 80% of the assignment that I have solved for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another useful solution. Thank you so much again.